now let's start the conversation.
Okay.
So before starting the conversation, so I would like to tell you and
Hmm.
inform you what we will do in this conversation.
Hmm.
So yeah, this conversation will be in 5 parts,
Hmm.
and in first part we will know each other. That means
Hmm.
introduction, and
Hmm.
in second part I will ask 5 questions,
Hmm.
and they are
Okay.
very basic, and they are and it is not compulsory to answer every answer.
I got.
In
I got
third,
it.
yeah, and in third part I will tell
Hmm.
5 word basic words, and you need to tell their basic past simple.
Okay.
And in fourth part, and translation, we will do some
Hmm.
translation Hindi to English.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
in the last conversation, in the last, we will I will we will discuss idioms,
Okay.
5 idioms. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so let's start.
Hmm.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah. My name is Dhanaji. I am connecting with from Mumbai. When it's come to my education, I completed my graduation at my hometown Satara district, and I was a working professional. But right now, I am a retired person. I took retirement before 6 months ago, and I am living with my family members. In my family members, including me, my wife, son, and daughter, and that's it.
Yeah, that's great. So should I
Yeah.
introduce myself?
So yeah, you have to introduce yourself. So I
Yeah,
will be know about you.
I'm Yugandhar Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadoi district, and I did VCA. My hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and exploring new things. That is my introduction. I live in a village.
Okay.
Yeah. So allow me to ask 5 questions.
Yeah, you can ask.
Okay. So first question: you are a best student. Convince me.
I'm best student. Student.
Best student. Convince me
Hmm.
that you are a best student.
Yeah.
Okay. Take your time.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
If you are not able to answer, then you can skip.
No, no. I will try.
Yeah. Try.
So you are also student.
Yes.
So I am also student. You are also student. So I have to convince you that I am a good
No.
student.
No.
I mean, ne?
Question only. You are a best
Hmm.
student. Convince me.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm, I can't.
Okay.
You can answer this question.
That's okay. That's
Yeah.
okay. Don't. There is no problem.
Hmm.
My second
Hmm.
question: if
Hmm.
I don't want to practice, then can I
Hmm.
speak English? If I don't want to practice, can I speak English?
No, without practice, no one can speak English, even though no one can grab any, I mean, opportunity. For that, consistency is so important. And there is one proverb that practice make man perfect. So without practice, nothing can happen, nothing can achieve in your life. So practice is so important. Yeah.
Yeah, great. That's great. My third question: if you are
Hmm.
given two things, money and time, what will you
Hmm.
take?
I will take money, time.
Okay, time. Oh, that's
Yeah.
great. My fourth question: what are your two bad habits, and uh, and you want to leave them?
Yeah. My first bad habit is I can't say anyone no, but you I should say where is no wrong things. That time you have to say wrong, and also stay with the truth. And my second thing, I mean, second bad habit is mm, I don't want to travel anymore because I spent 31 years as a bus driver in Mumbai, so I don't want to travel anywhere right now.
Yeah, that's good. Okay,
Yeah,
okay. So my fifth question: where do you think
mm,
you need to work on confidence, vocabulary, and grammar and accent?
confidence.
Confidence.
Yeah, confidence.
Only on confidence,
Without
or all these
hmm?
things are important? Only on confidence, or on these things? Vocabulary, confidence, grammar, and accent.
Yeah, I think accent is not too much important, but grammar and vocab is so important because without vocab, vocab, we can't speak properly.
Yeah, that's okay. But first,
Mm.
your preference is confidence.
Confidence, yeah. Without
Yeah, that's
confidence,
very,
how
yeah,
can you start your journey?
yeah, that's very good. So
Yeah.
let's you need to tell their past simple. I'm going to speak here. Five
Mm.
work. So give, give.
Give past
Yeah, past simple only. Second verb.
given.
Now gave.
So
Give.
give. Sorry, give.
Huh?
Sorry,
That's
give.
why I have told you take your time. Think
Okay,
for
okay, okay,
speak.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Drive.
Hmm?
Drive.
Pardon?
Drive. drive.
Draw,
Draw. Yeah. Break.
broke,
Yeah. Open.
opened,
Opened.
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 END, ED,
Yeah. Ed.
opened.
Hold.
Huh?
Hold. Hold.
Held.
Held.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. So now translation time. Let's
Hmm,
translate.
hmm,
Okay. They are very basic. Just try.
hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I
झूठ
will
मत
try.
बोलो.
झूठ मत बोलो. Don't tell lie.
Don't tell a lie. Do not lie.
Huh.
They are
Do not
okay.
lie.
The कैसे आना हुआ?
How you came?
No. What brings you here?
Yeah. Okay.
What?
It's good. Right.
Yeah.
Brings
Okay.
you here. Yeah. Yeah.
उसने मुझे जोर से मारा. उसने मुझे जोर
Pardon?
से मारा. उसने मुझे जोर से मारा.
He's, he beat me forcefully.
He hit me hard.
He hit me hard. Okay. Okay.
Okay. एक सेकंड इंतजार करो.
Hmm?
एक
Pardon?
सेकंड इंतजार करो.
Wait a second.
Hold on a second.
Wait
Yeah,
a moment.
both are right. Both are right. Okay. बिजली चमक रही है.
It's lightning.
The lightning is flashing.
Lightning flashing.
Yeah, that's both are right. Okay, both are right.
It's
You are
lightning.
also
I
right.
don't know.
Yeah, you are also right. You are also right. So now it's idiom time. Let's discuss, and then
Okay.
you will get time for 5 minutes and ask any question. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. So first idiom is blood is thicker than water.
Blood is thicker than water.
What?
So I have to tell you meaning of this idiom.
Yeah, yeah. And you have two options. You can also tell their meaning and with example. If you don't tell, if you are not able to tell their meaning, then you can tell with example.
Okay. Okay.
Only you have 5 seconds, not more than that.
Okay. 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 Uh, I mean, um, relation, goody relation.
Yeah, family ties are stronger. That means other peoples are not important. You
Yeah,
can
yeah,
understand. Yeah. So my
yeah.
second,
Or
take it easy. My second idiom, take it easy.
don't take stress.
Yeah, you are right. Relax.
Relax.
Yeah. And third, all is fair in love and war.
Everything is uh, I mean, in love, everything is every is I mean,
Yeah, okay. Let me explain. Anything is acceptable in extreme situations.
le-
Suppose we are learning this language, so whether it is difficult or easy, we will learn.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah. And the
everything is
fourth,
in love. Hmm?
yeah, got it.
Yeah, good. I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that everything is yeah. Good. Carry on.
Are fear in love and war. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Okay. My fourth, on the dot. On the dot. DOT.
No, I don't.
Okay. Exactly on time. That means you are given some time that you need to reach there, and you reach there on time.
Yeah, it means on time reach.
Yeah, on time.
Appropriate.
Beat the
Appro-
beat the clock. Beat the clock.
same meeting. Reach the time. I mean time
Finish before
hmm?
deadline. Finish before deadline.
Before
That means
deadline. Okay.
you need to reach at 11 o'clock, and you reach before that. That
Yeah, yeah.
11:30, and like this.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So
Okay.
I would like to know your opinions. Two opinions. First, how
Hmm.
did you like this conversation?
Yeah, like this conversation, it's first it is a healthy conversation, and second is on in this conversation, I mean, I learn a lot of things like what I want to learn, and if I want to go on another level. So, like this conversation is so important. Otherwise, every time we go and only introduce ourselves and give some our yeah, feedback, like and sometimes we only again and again same things happen in a conversation. So
Yeah.
I like this conversation. If if I made like this conversation, definitely within 2 months we will able to speak like advanced. I mean, I will go to the advanced level. Otherwise, many times I know that what kind of a conversation will happen, and same thing happen again and again. And I also fed up of this conversation, but right now I enjoy this conversation.
Become it will become boring sometimes.
Yeah,
It becomes boring.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah, and my second, I want to know your opinion. How is my
Hmm.
English? Please rate my English. You're just like my father, so encourage me.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I am on this platform. Not, I mean, this is my fourth call, but I am using social media last around 2 years and for only enhance my English. But right now, this is my more than 50 video uploaded on YouTube. I'm not YouTuber, but I think this is the genuine part of my I mean, this is the genuine part where I right now I'm speaking with you. So you are very good at English, and your motto is, I think, very clear. You want to become I think, on the next level, and also you should also give some knowledge. You will share your knowledge to others, so it is a good thing, and you are good at English, really.
Yeah, actually, I don't want to only to learn English. I want to only, give something other people who want to learn this language, and make
Yeah,
this learning journey easy.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you
You
for
know, right now,
thank you for
okay, okay.
appreciation and my my hard work. So
Yeah, yeah.
now you have 5 seconds. Ask any question.
Mm,
2 or 3 minutes. Ask any question.
mm, yeah, yeah. So right now you are using some advanced level words also, and PDM phrasal words. So where are you lacking according to you? What it means? I means
Yeah,
you are
I,
speaking
I,
in good
I,
English. So what? Okay.
where I need to work on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, there are a lot of things,
Mm,
but one thing I think prefer idioms and
mm.
phrases, and then accent.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So you are not comfortable with your accent.
Yeah, I'm comfortable, but I want to improve a lot.
Yeah. So what kind of accent you like, British or American?
Actually, I like both. There is no problem, but I think I need to improve. Pronunciation. Sometimes I stuck while pronouncing a word specifically, but I think it's not a very big deal.
Yeah. I know. And if you are, told me that you are also focusing on accent. So, what type of tactics you are using for enhance your English and as well as your accent, enhance your accent, like
Sorry,
American or bro? Hmm?
I'm not getting your point. What you are saying?
Yeah, yeah. Uh, you want to, you should also improve your accent, like American or British. So, what type of tactics you are using for enhance? Your accent.
Actually, there is only one thing I do: practice. I'm practicing. You know, if I am watching any news, just I repeat what the that person is saying.
Okay, okay. So you are only watching some news also.
Yeah.